Hello. Yeah, I just want to do a video because I haven't seen this on YouTube. I was looking for a method to put a Garmin Zumo XT, Garmin's latest motorcycle GPS, and fit it on my BMW R1200RT. This is the 2015 liquid cooled. And basically I was looking for a way to take that Garmin XT and have an adapter where I didn't have to run power or do any wiring. I just wanted an adapter to go between the Garmin XT interface and the normal BMW adapter that's fit into the motorcycle. So as you can see, this looks pretty factory. The Zumo XT works like it should. When you power it on, it powers on. Has all the great features of the Garmin XT. This isn't meant to go over all the features, but what I was really looking for is a GPS I can see in broad daylight. And this is a TFT screen, much like a cell phone, very, very bright, and it has all the features of the latest GPS, which means it has all the greatest maps. It has weather radar. It can connect to it has a mixer where you can get the volumes right between your music and the headset audio and any other audio that you want to connect in there. But it really has a really good mixer, which is the problem I had with the old Zumo. So again, this isn't for the Zumo XT, but rather the mount. So to show you, if all I do is click the button, I can take the whole Zumo XT out. This is what the adapter looks like. And it is a perfect fit. You can actually hit this and disconnect it from the Zumo mount also. So that's the normal Garmin mount. And what I had in there originally was this Zumo. And again, this one powers up when you plug it in, just like the new Garmin, the old Garmin. They all power up great. And I can disconnect it. Again, taking this Garmin, and just like the old Garmin, I can pop it in, and it'll power up, and it works great. I can use that same adapter on. I got another BMW older RT where I have the original mount on it, and I can just hook that up, just unplugging it, plugging it right in, and it works great. So again, if you're looking for a quick disconnect adapter, this is it. And it comes from an Italian company, and I'll put a link to that Italian company in my video. All you really have to do to install it is screw the original Zumo XT adapter into their 3DMotorrad adapter, and that's it. I mean, you're basically connecting the electrical connector to their adapter like you normally would and screwing it in. So it's a perfect solution. I was really looking for one for several months, and I finally found it on a website that I found. It's a UK website that had it. And the Italian website has an installation video on YouTube, but it sure wasn't easy to find. So with this video, I hope people can find it. And if you're looking for this kind of a solution, which I'm telling you what, it's as factory as you can get as far as the way it fits and the way it works. Of course, it doesn't have the wheel interface, which, I wasn't so sure I really needed that side of the interface. Like when I was comparing, I was really looking at the BMW version of the GPS, and then I said, you know what, it's still going to have that same crappy display. I really wanted the bright TFT display like you see in all the new bikes and all the new GPSs. So this is the solution. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thank you.